In this video, I'll be showing you my Midas Touch review. So Midas Touch is my own product which I'm launching along with my partners Johnny Rose and Bill Ang on 25th of March at 10 a.m. Eastern. And Midas Touch is a training product that we have created specially for newbies in mind who wants to get started by promoting products on Warrior Plus. So if this is something that interests you, please make sure you watch this video towards the end, as I'll be showing you what is there inside the members area of Midas Touch. I'll be also showing you my custom bonuses which I've compiled for you guys. And I'll be telling you about the different price points of Midas Touch, and finally I'll be telling you if this product is a good fit for you or not. So in case you don't know me, my name is Saurabh and this channel is all about latest product reviews, tips and tricks on affiliate marketing and a lot more. So if you're someone who wants to get started by promoting products on Warrior Plus marketplace, but you're not getting approved by different vendors, because each vendor were launching their products on Warrior Plus, they would want people to promote the products who can give them some sales, who have got some score, the Warrior Plus score under their belt. And this is the main problem which newbies face, as you know, when they get started they do not have any kind of score on Warrior Plus. And this particular product, Midas Touch, which we have created, is going to address that problem. So now let me just take you inside the members area of Midas Touch and show you around. So this is how the members area gonna look like. You're going to get the welcome video from me, and then I'm going to show you the overview of the entire strategy, how you need to build your score, how you need to use the assets which I'm going to give to you, how you need to use the conversion booster, how you can build a list of hungry buyers. So this is going to be an introduction to email marketing as to how you can build an email list for yourself. And then you are going to get a case study as using the same strategy we built a brand new profile on Warrior Plus and applied the same strategy and got results. And then you are also going to get free traffic trainings which is of Facebook, and also you're going to get the training on paid traffic, which is optional. If you want to use paid traffic, you can use that. And then there are some additional upgrades which I'll be covering later on, and there are some bonuses. So these are the bonuses which you're going to get by default along with the product. And I have also compiled some very cool bonuses for you guys if you decide to pick up Midas Touch using my link, which is right there in the description down below. Once you click on that link, you will come to this particular bonus page of mine, and you can read about Midas Touch over here. And talking about the bonuses, the number one bonus I'm going to give to you is List Lariat, which is again my first product, which was based on building an email list for yourself by giving out free stuff. And you're going to get the front end and the OTO one, which is the advanced training on list building. Bonus number two, I'm going to throw in my second product as well, which is Aerial Assassin. So that is all about how you can promote any offer on Facebook using free traffic. So you're going to get the front end as well as the advanced training, which is the OTO one for that. Bonus number three, I'm going to give you a bonus vault of products. These are like 40 high quality trainings which you can give away as bonuses in your affiliate campaigns. Bonus number four, I'm going to give you 1 year of social media planner, which is basically a calendar that will tell you what you have to post on each and every day. And bonus number five, I'm going to give you 60 days worth of social media content. These are done for you posts which you can just copy and paste on either Facebook or Instagram, and you can build your profile on these social media platforms as well. So these are the 5 bonuses which you're going to get from me as a part of my bonus package, along with the bonuses which I had shown you over here inside the members area. Now talking about the different price points for Midas Touch. So the front end, which includes these trainings and all my bonuses, that is only going to cost you $12.95. That's the price for the front end. Then there are some additional upgrades as well. The upgrade number one is the Midas Touch Pro version, which is the advanced training on how you need to use free traffic to promote products on Warrior Plus. So this, I highly recommend you pick this up at least, so that you will have the complete picture of right from getting the approval till promoting the offers. And then the OTO number two is the reseller license bundle. So you're going to get the resale license for Midas Touch, List Lariat, and Aerial Assassin. And using this resale license, you can promote these products as your own and keep the 100% profit. And that will cost you $67. And OTO number three is the personal coaching. So you're going to get personal coaching from me and Bill for 4 weeks. So we literally gonna handhold you, and we will teach you everything about how to pick up the right offer to promote, how you need to prepare your campaign, how you need to compile the bonuses, and how you need to promote that offer to make affiliate commissions. And that will cost you $197. So these are the different price points for Midas Touch. And talking about the pros and the cons, well, this is my own product, so I should not be talking about cons. But to start with the pros, this is a very specific strategy that will help you to get started on Warrior Plus, as this is the first blocking point for any newbie who wants to promote products on Warrior Plus. They do not get that approval from vendors, and using the strategy which we are going to teach you inside Midas Touch, you are going to get the approvals to promote the products on Warrior Plus. You are also going to get the done for you resources, the done for you bonus page, the done for you videos, and everything which will help you to get started. It's a totally newbie friendly. You do not need any kind of prior experience of any kind of marketing to follow the strategy. Now talking about cons, I don't find any cons in this. So I've already covered if there are some things additional through my bonuses, so which I've already told you about. Now talking about if this product is a good fit for you or not. So let me just make it clear, this product is for newbies who are new people who wants to get started by promoting products on Warrior Plus. So this training is going to help you to get started on Warrior Plus, to get the approvals and to promote the products. And then you can literally scale your business, implement different strategies later on. And this is going to give you that head start which we all need. And this is what I followed initially in my journey as well. So guys, I hope my review has helped you to make an informed buying decision about Midas Touch. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you again in my next video. Cheers.